Theta United States dollar medium-term support essentially remained at 92 cents, which truly is genuinely critical in an unobtrusive manner. The entirely current exchanging volume of Theta organization essentially really is at $13,941,919, most certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking in an unpretentious manner. Theta organization actually especially is as of now esteemed at 75 cents by, and large bears control Theta's fundamentally most certainly current cost activities, which explicitly basically is genuinely critical, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. 04 November 2023, in this video we will especially walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now or for by and large, certainly 1 week from now, and for the most part in a real sense, attempt to answer these regularly, for the most part gotten clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what sort of especially is genuinely transient cost expectation for Theta organization. Especially generally is Theta a kind of very wise interest in a truly sort of significant manner in a very enormous manner. Theta organization support and opposition levels and so on in an unobtrusive manner. Yet, prior to jumping certainly sort of profound into the Theta specialized examination, explicitly by and large, let us generally especially discuss the kind of really current economic situations in every practical sense, sort of significant way, which is very critical. Market examination over the in every practical sense, especially last 24 hours, there sort of generally was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the sort of beautiful whole cryptographic money market to $1,295,563,241,888, which outrageously is very huge, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. The for the most part really all-out exchanging volume basically explicitly remains at $32,247,487,270 in an unobtrusive manner, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Bitcoin shares 52.38% of the entry market, while Ethereum certainly generally has a strength of 16.33% in a very huge manner in an unpretentious way. Which entirely brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $34,719.80 level after a decay of 0.25%, exhibiting that Theta organization support and obstruction levels and so on, which generally basically is very critical. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every practical sense, certainly has seen a cost increment of 1.42%, coming to $1,833.55 during the past 24 hours in an essentially significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $235.21, following a value change of 2.51% inside a similar time span, which essentially especially is very huge in a very large manner. XRP, the especially local coin of XRP especially generally is somewhere near 0.19 and presently exchanging at 61 cents, exhibiting that Theta organization support and opposition levels and so on in an unpretentious manner, which is genuinely critical. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally essentially has seen a cost increment of 1.42%, coming to $1,833.55 during the past 24 hours in a reasonably most certainly significant manner, which is very huge. These occasions basically in a real sense show that the market generally is going in a very especially descending heading for pretty essentially momentary in a very huge manner in a significant way. As of now, an especially broad decently especially regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which essentially for the most part is genuinely critical in a significant manner. Theta organization backing and obstruction backing and opposition actually certainly are significant specialized pointers used to for the most part explicitly recognize in every practical sense fundamentally key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking, which basically is very critical. Support for the most part truly is a level at which purchasers certainly become in every practical sense, in every way that really matters, more sort of most certainly dynamic, and especially by and large prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Showing how these occasions by and large truly demonstrate that the market is going in a truly descending bearing for actually commonly present moment, which in every practical sense is very huge in a kind of enormous manner. Similarly, opposition generally is a level at which dealers fundamentally most certainly become move certainly genuinely dynamic and essentially truly prevent the coin's cost from moving, most certainly genuinely higher in a very truly significant manner. Following quite are the help and obstruction levels of Theta organization, Theta organization execution. The cost of Theta organization, Theta, most certainly in every practical sense, is at 75 cents, down 0.71% in the by and large truly beyond 24 hours, and very has a value change of 12.39% over the course of the week, truly sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Which essentially shows that the sort of current exchanging volume of Theta organization fundamentally is at $13,941,919, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking in an unpretentious way. One-day exchanging volume for BTC generally is $13,941,919.00 United States dollars, while quite all-out market cap came to $752,114,991 United States dollars in a decently huge manner, in spite of prevalent thinking. There actually essentially are very nearly 1 billion generally truly are available for use out of 1 billion, which explicitly generally is genuinely huge in an unobtrusive manner. Theta Organization Value Examination Theta Cost Examination for 04 November 2023, inside a very everyday time span, especially made sense of underneath in an unobtrusive manner in an unpretentious way. We utilize pretty relative strength INDEX RSI, moving entirely normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including sort of fundamentally basic moving exceptionally normal, SMA, and outstanding moving commonly especially normal, EMA, to truly break down the future development of the Theta organization. Showing how furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every practical sense, basically has seen a cost increment of 1.42%, coming to $1,833.55 during the past 24 hours in a truly significant manner. The Theta United States dollar moving sort of in every practical sense, normal union and difference, MACD, marker fundamentally truly is showing a present moment especially truly sell entirely signal, as the MACD line certainly essentially is moving beneath commonly most certainly signal line which especially truly implies ridiculously bears are overwhelming in the market in a kind of lovely significant manner in an unobtrusive manner. RSI inferring oversold stage while exchanging at 29. And sort of truly is attempting to especially generally break out of the negative zone while featuring monstrous negative strength, showing how Theta Organization Value Investigation Theta Cost Examination for 04 November 2023, inside an actually fundamentally day-to-day time span, very made sense of beneath. Which generally is genuinely critical, or so they really thought. The Theta organization sort of in a real sense has fundamentally break all its fundamentally by and large backings levels and things basically in a real sense are not looking actually genuine.